Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So guys, today I'm going to buy one power bank from AliExpress, which is both USB and also wireless charger. So I already add the power bank in my wish list. So here is the power bank. It has four different color and its capacity is 30,000 milliampere and wireless power bank. So its cost is $11.95 and the shipping method in my country is $9.47. Here's some review. So to buy this, going to buy, so continue. So my total cost is with shipping 11.95 and shipping is 9.47 and I got a discount $1. So total amount is 20.42. So I'm going to buy, so pay now. So here is thank you for your purchase. So I going to my order. This is my order. So guys, today I get this product after 42 days later. So today I like to open this box. So here is the product. You can see power bank. Okay. Here's some specification of this power bank. Now I like to open. Okay, inside I have nothing. With this power bank I get one data cable and here is the power bank. You can see showing the battery level, and I get one user manual. It's in Chinese language. Maybe this one is warranty, something like that. This is showing cutting, and yes, this is warranty card, as you can see, and has some English manual. So this is the power bank. It's both normal 2-port USB and also it's wireless charger. You can see this is look nice. So now I like to charge my phone. So here is my power bank, you can see. So here is my phone. I have wireless charger receiver inside my phone. So here you can see I have no cable. Just I place the phone on my power bank. Here you can see it's charging. Okay, here you can see it's charging. So this is a really great power bank. I think 2 USB port, light and wireless charger. This is really good. You can see it's charged. Here you can see it's charging. So this is the power bank. I have in this power bank I have two USB port and two LED light, and this is the charging port of this power bank, and it's look nice and stylish. And this belt is totally rubber. You can see it's rubber, so that you when you put your phone for wireless charger, the phone will be stick with this power bank. So here you can see the light, LED light. To turn on the LED light, you need to push this power button for 3 to 4 seconds. And you can see, and to turn off, just press this button for 3 to 4 seconds. Okay, that's all. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up, and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.